back to the home.
I'm finally too relaxed that I'm going to sleep.
What the hell is wrong with you?
The nose is snoring again! Oh, she's fast asleep! Come on there, sewing girls! Aiko! Wake up! Ah!
Wait! What's that sound?
What are you snoring that? You too loudly, like a dinosaur.
Meow, my mocha is just right there.
Hey, Aiko! Stop snoring!
Hey! Hey, told Linda. You can do the snoring, Dad.
Snoring! Before me listening!
I mean, I do not to sleep and here. I'm going to challenge. Here is that sound of snoring loudly like. No way you're calling a loud snore. I don't make any that loud snore. Is that the way you go? Ah! Let's flick it with your face! You're cracking yourself in the land.
Snoring as well! Maybe can you snoring of sleep? Nothing? We're going to the swing watch this. The snoring in the shock in the house. Swear? Right! We're going to the zone and watch TV in the house.
Doing I'm sure you see your.
No! No way! Is this waffing? No to the waffing too! I finally get to wake up.
How about you stop snoring there?
I will so pretty.
But before I'm going to bed, you smell at home!
I'm sorry! We're going to the Vigilandia! New Baker's Strawberry Shack. We need to talking about sleep.
Okay.
Yeah, good night.
Oh no! He's snoring! I go again! Let's go back to the CPU, doctor! Ah! I go! Stop snoring! Whoa! I'm sorry!
Oh my god, he's going to stop it! I'm giving you something to stop it as well. Why?